Sunset on the open road, you're sitting close, the radio low. Every word you say feels right, like the stars just lit tonight. I never thought I'd find this light in the rear view of my life. You drive me wild, you drive me home. In your arms I'm never alone. On this highway of my heart, you were my star, my only spark. Every mile, every scar leads me back to where you are.
City lights fade in your eyes, I can see forever in the night. No map, no plan, just you and me, running wild where love runs free. Hearts beat loud like thunder rolls, every beat's a piece of soul.
You drive me wild, you drive me home. In your arms I'm never alone. On this highway of my heart, you were my star, my only spark. Every mile, every scar leads me back to where you are. You drive me wild, you drive me home. In your arms I'm never alone.
And this highway of my heart,
You were my star,
my only spark.
every mile, every scar leads me back to where you are. I've been walking through the quiet nights, searching for the meaning in your eyes. Every little moment feels divine when your hand is gently holding mine. You're the light I never knew I missed, soft as every secret in a kiss. When the world is heavy on my chest, you pull me in and I can finally rest. And tell me all the dreams you're dreaming, let me be the place you run. Every heartbeat has a reason and mine keeps leading me. You're the place where my soul feels strong. You're the rhythm in every song. Baby, this is where your heart belongs. Stay, every day you're the one I choose. If I win or if I lose, I'll be loving you my whole life long. Where your heart belongs. Every morning when the sunlight hits, I can see forever in your lips. Nothing in the world can pull me down, long as you're the one I'm holding now. Take my hand and don't let go. We can write our story slow. Even if the nights get colder, even when we're growing older, promise I'll be here shoulder to shoulder with you. 'Cause you're the place where my soul feels strong. You're the rhythm in every song. Baby, this is where your heart belongs.